What's up guys, and welcome back to the channel. In today's video I have a brief update for you guys. We have a new house. So we recently moved, has a much nicer layout, a bigger garage, and even a bigger driveway, so we can work on more than one vehicle at a time, which is really nice. We don't have to move one out of the driveway just to do something. So with the new house comes a new accessory for the Jeep Wrangler. We're working on my Jeep today. As a housewarming gift, I figured I'd get something for the Jeep Wrangler. So I'm gonna hand the camera off to Brian here. You can see I have this cover here. It's the Bordan brand from Suparee. Definitely check out their website. That will be down in the description below. If you've been following the Jeep build, I have a ton of parts for them, so definitely check them out. This here is for the 4-door model. They also make them for a 2-door, and they also fit the JK, the JL, which is what I have, CJ, YJ, TJ, basically all of the Jeep Wranglers. And so this is going to be pretty cool. What I'm most excited about this cover for is with the doors off, hopefully I can leave them off overnight time. And I believe this is waterproof, so we're gonna test that later in today's video. And so let's go ahead and open this up. I think we got some straps or some tie downs already. Hey, there's a lock in here. That's pretty cool. We'll have to figure out where that locks to. Hey, there's a zipper here. There's a zipper here, so I wonder if you can get into the door. So let's say that this is the driver's side then, because there's no zipper on the other side.
This is pretty flat here, like it could be the back.
Yeah. Well look, see that pocket right in the middle? That could be for a mirror.
Yeah, could this be the front then?
I think that's the front. Is there a pocket on the other side? Yeah. That's probably for the mirrors then. Do you want to try it with the antenna on, or should I take the antenna off? Because this could be cool if you don't have to take the antenna on and off.
Yeah, I don't see a hole for it.
So if I had a shorty antenna, that would make more sense. So yeah, I wonder where the lock would go, but ready? This is a lot bigger than I thought. So we do have the mirrors right there. Can you get it over the tire at all?
A little bit, yeah. The bumper. Oh, maybe the bumper.
Is it because I have the aftermarket bumper? This is cool.
Yeah, the bumper's definitely pulling it forward a little bit.
I'm not sure where the lock would go though.
I think just from the bottom to the other bottom.
Oh, okay.
Yeah.
So that's just, okay. That just holds it in place if you want to do that.
So it's not flapping around.
Yeah. So I'm not gonna go around and do all of these, but on the tie downs here, I noticed you could just go right around the wheel. So you could tie this in place, which I'm not doing a really good job of.
Well, that's cool, because in college we had car covers on our cars,
and they just flew
and half
off.
the time you'd come back after like a few days and it'd be all over the place.
Yeah, so this is a really good fitment. Even with the larger tires, it wraps around them perfectly, and even on the bumpers. It's a little bit odd on my front bumper, but it works.
Yeah.
And that's, yeah, those are right there. So that's cool. And then this is the lock. So if you're leaving it on for a long period of time, you can just throw that up underneath. I probably wouldn't. The 4 corners is probably secure enough.
Yeah, but then we got this, which is super cool. Check that out.
Yeah.
I've never seen that. So you have access if you need to get into it.
Actually get in.
We needed this in college. This would have been fantastic.
I know, right? You just do this. Oh, I forgot something.
That looks pretty cool in here.
But what I'm actually really curious about is, I believe this is a waterproof cover. So we're gonna have to see how this fits when I take the door off, because we won't have the side mirrors.
And we're gonna do that, right?
Yeah, we're gonna do that in today's video, yeah. So I wanna see, and actually I can get in. I can still get in out and take the door off, because I mainly wanna use this cover for the summertime. When the Jeep's parked outside, you can't even tell that the doors would be off of it. And that will just save me a lot more time in taking doors on and off every time. And
keep the dew out of the interior, because last thing you want is a moldy interior, really.
Yeah, so.
If that keeps it off, it's perfect.
Let's go ahead and get the doors off. So with one side off, we should still be able to strap this down. Obviously there's no mirrors anymore. And maybe if you had aftermarket mirrors, you could probably assemble it that way. So it would still at least hold with everything kind of on properly. And so now it's time to see if I get wet or not. You ready?
Yep.
We didn't take the roof off. We probably could have, but zip me in.
Zip it up.
And I'll tell you. Now, I'll try to hold it at the bottom here.
Yeah.
As if it was strapped in. Because, you know, I would have to strap it in a little bit closer.
All right, so part of me hopes this actually doesn't work because it's 40 degrees out, right?
It's very cold today, yes.
So part of me would love to just soak Mike like this, but...
Hey, but if this works,
yeah?
I could just leave the doors off now.
Yeah. So again, maybe not a torrential downpour, we don't know, but...
Yeah.
Oh, if you get soaked, I'm gonna laugh.
Can you start light? Right.
Okay, let's...
Dude.
The hose isn't working too well.
Is it kinked?
It might be.
Do we have to start over?
Hold on. All right, take two. The other end of the hose is really jacked up. So this is the best we got, but nonetheless.
Dude, it just beats right off. Bri?
Yeah?
Put it in one spot. Dude, you'll have to see this from this side.
Yeah?
It just beads right off. This is cool.
Awesome. Well, let's throw the camera on the inside real quick.
All right, so from my view now, from inside, Brian's gonna go ahead and spray about this area here. And hopefully you can see it. Look, it's just running straight down this cover. My hand's not even wet on this side, Bri. Like I can feel the water, but it just goes straight down. And you're holding it there for a good amount of time too.
Right on it, yeah.
Yeah, that is pretty cool. Dude, that is awesome.
And let's see, unzipping it.
So you can leave, dude, you can leave the doors off at night.
Yeah, nothing.
And look how dry that is.
Dude, that's awesome.
Man.
Doors off, even roof off, as long as it's not a torrential, because you could get puddling.
Yeah,
but
probably with the roof off there.
But that's awesome.
That is pretty cool. All right, well, wasn't expecting that. You can actually get it back in the bag. I don't know if I take the time to do that every time, but this is definitely an awesome feature. If you love taking your doors off your Jeep, obviously that's why you bought a Wrangler, and I love doing that. We need some warmer weather for me to use this, but it's definitely a cool accessory. Definitely check out Suparee. I'll have their information down in the description below. If you guys enjoyed today's video, give it a huge thumbs up. Consider smashing that subscribe button if you want to stay up to date on our daily uploads. We'll see you guys in the next video.